How's it going, everyone? In today's video, we're going to shoot some macro photography using a $20 lens filter. This lens is not a macro photography lens. It's just the filter on top of it basically turns your lens into a macro lens. I've done a video on this one before and I was hugely surprised by the results that I got. I was blown away by how good it actually was. So I wanted to take it out to the forest here and see what kind of shots we could get. So let's go. Bugs in this forest are insane. They're frickin' swarming me like crazy. I don't know if you can see that on my bag, but I have some bear spray. Because last time I came here, I was with my friend Nick from Light Meets Lens, and we were walking through here, and when we got up to the river, there was a big black bear just chilling. He ended up taking off, but it's better to be safe than sorry, right? Black bears, you don't really have to tend to worry about them too much, because they're more scared of you than you are of them, pretty much, unless they have cubs. So I just wanted to be a bit safer and bring some bear spray. Oh my god, I lost my step. Bring some bear spray with me, so if I do run into any issues, I'm prepared. I'm not sure how deep the water is here. I'm not sure how mucky it is. But there's some nice little color on these leaves over here, and I want to see if I can get up kind of close to them. Wow, that's really deep. That's crazy deep. I haven't even gone like 6 inches in here. But these guys look really cool. So I'm gonna try and get some photos of them, but readjust so I'm not dying in this boggy pit. I can't go too far into this because it's so deep and it's hard to keep my hands steady when I'm taking these photos because I'm trying to balance and not, you know, fall into the boggy marsh pit. But I'm also going to take a couple pictures of these little lilies because I think those will make for some nice textures. We got some little spiky things right here that look cool too. I'm going for a faster shutter speed, 1/125th, just because I want to be able to freeze that motion because my hands are really shaky in this water and there's a lot of wind. So I want to make sure the photos are sharp, but to compromise, I have to shoot at f4. Like I'm not really going for the bokeh. I want more of the detail, but you get a narrower depth of field at f4. But it is what it is. I can't really compromise for the shakiness. I can't really set up my tripod down here very well. So handheld it is. We've got some dying flowers right here. Some withering flowers, so that might make for an interesting shot. Yeah, I gotta say, this little lens filter, I was blown away by the results. Like, I took a picture of this dragonfly, and it turned out so good. Like, I could not believe that this was from just a cheap little lens that you just thread on your camera. I was gonna buy a macro photography lens just to try it out, but why not? $20? Of course I'm going to spend that to try out macro photography. And plus, I didn't know if I was actually going to enjoy macro photography because it's a whole different ballgame. But it's cool getting really up close to everything. Stuff that you normally wouldn't, you know, look at in that way. So, really cool experience. There's a wolfsman spider here, or huntsman. Wolfsman? I think it's a wolf spider. I don't know my spiders very well, but I took a couple of shots of him, and here are the shots. If you guys are interested in getting these filters for yourself, I've linked them down below, as well as another option, in case you guys want to test out macro photography and see if you guys enjoy it. Alright, I think that's it for today's video. Bit of a shorter video today. I just wanted to get out and try this filter a bit more. But if you guys enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, all that crap. I'd love to see you guys back here hanging out in another video. Alright, have a good one. Peace.